Hello everyone, we are going to demo our project Happy. So it's a social media, but every time you post an image, you will use an ML model to detect how happy the person is in the image. So now I'm going to demonstrate that using my own picture here. So we choose a new image from gallery, and we go to find the image, which I'm not sure where it is. Okay, it's here. And here I'm just say happy test, and we send out. The server will run the ML model and save the image to database. We can see now it's 99%, and we can also try a sad face. So this one, make a sad test, and this one is 16, which means it's not that happy. And after we upload all the image, we refresh the page. Here we forgot to reverse the database, so the latest image is actually at the bottom. See here, we can see these two images here. Happy test, 99% happy, and sad face, 60% happy. So that's the main function of it's the feed of our software.
And the second part that we worked on is the login page. So we have the basic requirements to log in, which would be for our project email, password. We also hope to add the option to log in using other accounts that you may, other social media accounts or Google account that you may have. We're going to have a link to our policy at the login page, and obviously the login functionality. This also is the page where people sign up when they don't have an account, and there should be a forgot password section here on this page as well. This icon here is empty to indicate that no user has been logged in. We're going to eventually readjust this and fine-tune it.
All right. So now we get to where we talk about who did what. Here we go. Here, I'll open up the projects. So Wayne did he connected the post API, connected to the post API. He can the front end.
I fixed the issue of sometimes when you open the image, when you choose camera, you actually go to the gallery, and also RJ finished the parts that connect the feed API. We forgot to put it here because that just finished.
Yeah.
And I did the login page.
Yeah.
Khalid did the login page right here. And what's left for me on this part, it would be to attach it to this part of the application so that it's a prerequisite to accessing the feed. And as well, I'm working on necessary permissions and authorizations for individual users.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then we'll move on to the back end. In the back end, Wayne did a lot of the databases and the machine learning model. I did some of the database schema, and RJ did crash detection
For the server.
for the server.
And my portion of the back end is part of the front end for now, but will eventually be shifted here and connected.
So I think that's everything for us to
and continuing on, we wait, do we have to do?
So the branching structure of the code, we have that here.
It shows that in the network part of our GitHub repository. So we try to separate each feature in each branch. See here, this part, he tried to finish for this branch, we name it as the login page, and he finished the first version of the login page, and we merged that to the dev branch. And before that, RJ try to use the real data, and he also check on new branch, finish the code, and create a pull request to merge it to the dev branch. And that's another totally separate branch here. The orange one is for the GitHub page. So it's nothing related to our code. It's for the website. After compile, we use GitHub to host our website. So it's not really related to our part.
And so one thing that we did particularly well is in our feed, we're really happy with the UI, but we still are yet to add comment functionality and likes and the date and the profile pictures, which we're still in the process of working
Also,
on.
we need to reverse the feed because every time you add a new row, it's at the bottom, but when you read that, you want to read that reversely.
Right, and with regards to the login page, we just need to connect the two components so that one is a prerequisite, and we need to find a way to just attach the necessary authorizations for each user and make sure the right person has access to the right stuff.
All right.
All right.
Awesome.
The project management tool.
We did that
Yeah.
before.
All right. And that concludes our presentation.
Thank you.